This is a copy of our weekly schedule. Our specials are highlighted in yellow, and I have our math block highlighted in this turquoise color, and our Google Meets for morning meeting. And then we'll have a recess lunch break, and then you'll see the green row for our whole class reading instruction. And then we'll have some independent work time that they can access on Seesaw or their weekly slide deck. And preps are kind of all over the place. We have gym sometimes at the end of the day, music at 2:30, and they'll log into their special teacher to go to those classes. They won't be with me. And then every day 5, we have gym right away in the morning with Mrs. Gunkean. So unfortunately, our schedule isn't perfect with prep times, but this is the one I was given, and we're going to make the best of it. And with anything with this distance learning, I might tweak or change it. Even special classes might get changed. And I will let you know as soon as I can if those things happen.